Think of a strategy, the key issue for the government of Iceland is actually to evaluate the potential of using renewable fuel. So the first thing you have to think about if going for transport is to see whether, first of all, the public likes the technology. There's been a lot of perception or myths about hydrogen being dangerous and etc. So we needed to do a lot of education and etc. And in that sense, buses would be the best place. You can put a lot of people in there. It's easy for if you want to take a ride with students, with groups or whatever. So socially, buses would be great.
Personally, I find the Iceland effort very exciting because I'm a pro-technology person, and I think that ultimately we'll need advanced technologies to solve our problems. It would be very, very difficult for us to address climate change by doing with less. So I think we're going to have advanced technologies, and it's exciting to see someone experimenting.
Iceland has taken a real leadership role on alternative fuels. Clearly they import all their oil, so they don't have any domestic oil. They do have a lot of domestic renewable resources, whether it's geothermal or wind or hydro. The problem is, how do you translate that into useful fuel for a car? They've decided to go the hydrogen route.
Currently they're building, their estimate for 2007 and 8 is roughly somewhere between 100 and 150 cars per OEM or per vehicle manufacturer. But they're then talking about thousands after 2012 and then tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands after 2015. And that's when the consumer can actually, the conventional consumer can come in and buy the technology. And all of us are hoping that, well, I foresee in 2015 I can go into any kind of car dealership and I can choose whether I buy a hydrogen car or a gasoline car, and they will be similarly priced.